But at the same time, if any car guy really knows, if you're a car guy, that type of person that's obsessive with a car like this, to have his brand and to do the work he's done over the last X amount of years, you take care of the car too. Where's that?
He just Naruto over there?
Bro, did you really just speak Armenian to that fucking cat?
Yeah.
That cat has no shot of knowing what the hell this kid is saying, dude. Arishka, what the fuck out of here, George?
That's what he taught him.
Yeah. The car comes stock with 789 horsepower.
Dang, slipping out of that is easy.
Bro, I'm telling you, it's fucking. Think about it.
That's easier than my Aston.
Bro, I'm telling you.
Low key, like you can just.
Hey everybody, I don't know if Gavin's on an intro, but we're here now.
Nah.
We're at Corsa Galleria. Gavin, you're good at intros.
You think so?
I know so.
I'm not as good as you are.
No.
I'm working on it.
He's good. Gavin's really good at the podcast intros. You are.
You think so?
Don't give yourself a thing. You are.
I think we're gonna start having him do it.
I come out when we do podcast intros. I come out a little too strong, and then when I'm done, I look at everybody, and you and the guests are looking at me like.
You kick it, and you're like, all right, someone else.
Yep, exactly. I kick it, and when you think it's coming to you, it's really not coming.
You kick it really high too, and we're all looking at it like.
You gonna get this?
Anyway,
here's the 812, guys. You guys know Aventador S is gone, Flamethrower is gone, the 812 is here. It's a new era, respectable red Ferrari era, in a car that I actually fit and am comfortable in, which is very nice. Ooh, nice. Is it on already? DJordanmedia.com to catch what I'm wearing right now. I didn't know it was that exclusive demand. Wow. All right, well, guys, go. Can't even get it if you wanted it. So.
Outfit of the day.
Yeah.
We got the Young LAs, the D Jordan Media.
We got some Nike knit blazers. We got some Lululemon joggers.
Well, Fabletics.
Fabletics shot, even better. Fabletics.
No bougie for us today.
Shout out to Kevin Hart. SCC sweater. D Jordan Media shirt. Gavin's beautiful hair.
What can we do?
But talking back to the 812, this is, if you guys haven't heard any of the podcasts and you guys want to know a little bit more about the 812, this 812 comes packed with lore. This was Alex Gintani himself's old car. I think his dad had it for a little bit. He had it for a little bit. It was a family thing. Again, having Alex as the previous owner, a lot of people can take that two different ways. I look at it this way, okay? Bear with me here. Walk me through this, okay? He's definitely on the side of pushing the vehicles that he owns. Granted, being the type of person he is, he probably used his car as a certain amount of test mule. Don't run it back. What does that mean?
No, donuts.
Oh, yeah.
Ripping donuts.
Ripping
burnouts.
With that, you can say, okay, it's definitely been beat on. But at the same time, if any car guy really knows, if you're a car guy, that type of person that's obsessive with a car like this, to have his brand and to do the work he's done over the last X amount of years, you take care of the car too. So I'm fairly confident that he took care of it as much as he beat it up. I feel like that's more of Alex's lenient style, especially with the amount of cars he owns and stuff like that. So again, give and take. But come to think, the other car was actually potential contention of buying was a lot higher spec 812. All the carbon, interior, exterior, all the options, lift, or this one has lift, Apple CarPlay, the special color tachometer, all the bullshit. The Daytona Sport seats. When I had the Aventador, the carbon, when I was driving it, I used to worry about the carbon all the time. If I heard a crack, I heard a fucking ding, I heard a little thing, like my heart would literally like creak, because I'm thinking if I break the carbon, I have to repair the carbon properly, it's going to cost money, or I'm going to have to make the carbon look a certain different way. It was a pain in the ass. This car, having the ground effects as more of like just a basic trim, is nice because I don't think the same way. If I beat it up, it can get replaced and or refinished perfectly fine. So that's kind of a thing that I didn't think about, that now I'm on the other side of it. I'm glad I went with this rather than the other one.
Sounds like a poor problem.
It does sound like a poor person's problem. This car is low-key fantastic. Like, look at Gavin.
I can't even reach the pedals.
Gavin's chilling. Look at all that room. Look at your knee room. Think about how chill that is. It's awesome.
These are so much nicer than Lambo.
They are kind of nicer than Lambo.
Like, not kind of, a lot.
A lot nicer.
Like, think about this next to the Aventador.
It's a lot. The
Aventador is so Audi compared to like when you're looking at this.
You know what gets me too is like the actual screen digital tech.
Yeah.
Like the way the screens look, however you want to, what would you call it? The display, the layout, or whatever. Like the actual fucking like.
Yeah, the gauge cluster.
But like the way the fucking actually thing just looks.
Yeah.
Like the Audi, like the Lamborghini thing looked like out of a 1990s computer. Like that green center thing on the Aventador was just, it looked like a time box technology versus this looks like modern day technology inputted into the car.
And this is like a proper supercar steering wheel.
All right, that steering wheel, Gavin, is elite.
Yes.
That's probably one of my favorite parts.
Look
is
at
the
this
steering
thing.
wheel. When you grab it, like grab the top one hand, grab the top. That's a good feeling.
Just right over the LEDs.
That's a great feeling.
I drive right here.
That's a Joe Murphy
Like a
thing.
race car driver. But, you know, Joe Murphy's got to be up here.
What kind of driver is that?
I can't even hardly reach up here. That's my problem.
What kind of driver is that? If this is a race car, what do I drive like? How would you call that?
I don't even know. Not a race car driver. Douchebag vibes, baby.
Gangster.
Gangster?
That's a gangster way. That's a gangster driver right there. Gangster. You look like you're gonna hit the road course. I look like I'm gonna go pull up and do a drive-by.
Yeah. I feel like I'm really down
Can I
here.
say that? Without getting canceled?
You said-
Again, I don't know how many 812 owners have talked about this, but I think it's a common thing. People will talk about it. The car comes stock with 789 horsepower.
Dang, slipping out of that is easy.
Bro, I'm telling you. It's fucking... Think about it.
That's easier than my Aston.
Bro, I'm telling you.
Low key, like you can just...
You got to tell
You saw it. You saw it.
You got like it is the number one factor of why I love this car more than everything else. How comfortable it is. Secondly, I love the way the car RPMs and the way it runs up the gears.
The way it RPMs.
The way it RPMs. How would you call that?
Revs up?
Revs up. The way it revs up. Sorry, thank you. The way it revs up is fucking immaculate. Plus, this car is 9,000 redline. When it hits that 9,000 and you shift, it's a dual clutch. It gives you it like punches you, but like in a quicker way. You know,
Not in a single clutch way.
not like in a tractor. This is like a shotgun. Like when you shoot, it's like it's sturdy. Third thing, I would probably say is a combination. Honestly, I think no, the red paint. I like the color.
The red paint.
Yeah, I like it. Those are my three things I like about it.
You're not doing black roof?
I don't know. I've been trying to make it work, and I don't know how exactly to make it.
Because where's this cut line?
That's trust me, Gavin.
Where do you end it?
You act like I haven't been thinking
like
about how to do
this is obvious right here. This
Yes.
is easy. Starts here, goes up, black mirrors, then
It's a difficult one.
then where?
It's
Do
a
you
difficult
just
one.
come down?
It's a difficult one. Can't do the
They'll
same
make it work
position.
just like yellow on red.
Bro, Bruce Lee, there's going to be somebody. Bruce Lee Kobe's spec on a car is fire. Go fuck yourself, Gavin.
That's this. A tiny little touch of yellow.
Those are going to be gone soon, too.
All right.
I'm just saying.
I'm just saying.
Who would we trust about specs? The kid wearing the gray Fabletics sweats or the kid dripped out in Young
The
Life?
kid that said yellow with red interior is a fire spec.
I said it can work. It's a fire spec.
It can work.
It can.
McDonald's spec can work.
Yes.
The ketchup and mustard can work.
It needs the right amount of black accents and the right amount of secondary red accents, and it can work. I don't mean just plain yellow with plain red. No. But it needs the right amount of black accents and the minimal red accents.
All right.
I'm just saying.
All right.
Nike would not have made a fucking shoe if it didn't make sense.
I'm not saying yellow and red can't go together. It's to the extent at which you think it can.
It can.
A full red interior with a full yellow car with some black accents to somehow make it work.
Yes. You can do drip. You can do full dripped in red. It'll still work. I don't care. You can do full dripped in red. It still works.
8 hours later.
A gold lighter color.
Yeah.
That's a darker yellow. You can't be like banana yellow. Like that bright yellow, it doesn't work. Light yellow. Darker, like almost gold, but not quite gold. That works. Light yellow.
Like a sunflower.
Kind of. Like if you look at the Kobe shoe that I'm fucking talking about, it's a darker toned yellow.
Dude.
Whatever. What was I even talking about before you fucked me up on this
things
rant?
you hate.
Jesus Christ. That's why we can't do vlogs. 3 things I hate. Car doesn't grip in first, second, or third gear. It's got 315s in the back stock from Ferrari. It's the dumbest thing that Ferrari's ever done. Doesn't make any goddamn sense.
Pirellis, too.
And the problem is if they gave me a bigger rim, a wider rim, I could just do my own, like upgrade the tires myself. These are 11.5s in the back. It physically cannot take a wider tire than 315s. There's just literally, like when I tell you guys there's no traction, like there's no traction. Like when I don't push it, it goes crazy. What are you doing, Doug DeMiro?
I'm checking your tread. What do you think?
So, second thing,
I'm seeing if he's bald. Well, we already knew that, but seeing if his tires were bald.
I don't like the front end design with like the split little trim thing. Like if you're gonna have some, it looks like, you know when the Hellcats come with like the yellow guards on the front lip?
Yeah, for shipping purposes, but people leave them on.
Right. It looks like that, but without, it's a black. It just looks, why not just do the full?
I love that.
You like this design?
No. The colored things on the bumper of Hellcats, they are like splitter guards for shipping the vehicle. They're supposed to be removed by the dealer before they sell the car.
Front lip design is what I hate on the car, secondly, because it just doesn't make sense. Where the music
so your
went.
CarPlay is the size of an iPod Nano?
Yep.
Throwback.
Yep. But you got to have an option to get it, and I don't.
Right. And it's like $5,000.
Yeah. Alex, you had to cheap out, and you couldn't just get damn CarPlay?
You think Alex spec'd this thing from factory?
No.
No.
Shalizi has, these are like the Ferrari collectors that I know on top of my head. He has majority red.
Yeah.
I don't think he has any yellow, I don't think, in his collection. Versus I know David Lee has like half in red, half in yellow. How valuable is yellow in the resale game of the Ferrari game? Or how desired? I don't know what the question I'm asking. Do you get what I'm trying to ask?
Yeah. Not an expert. Most of them are red. Right. Vast majority.
I almost want to fucking...
Wrap it yellow?
Yeah. Hate me or love me, I'll probably try it. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. If it does work, trendsetter. Hey, see that right there? You know what this logo represents? Yeah, let's shoot the commercial.
Commercial.
We're also here to shoot a commercial, guys, in case you guys didn't know. That's
Also,
the whole reason why we're here.
Check out that bad boy. We're tucking back there.
She stands so nice. And the clear taillights.
Clear taillights is huge.
That's an option on this car?
Yeah.
It's a nice option.
I
think Porsche's a similar option.
I want a V12, baby. That's what we need to do.
Same car V12 is what you want.
Yeah.
Can we get a
It's the
quick...
next step. Unless I'm leapfrogging to the McLaren.
Can we get a quick 3 to 4 car Gavin progression? Like your ideal Gavin progression?
Ideal Gavin progression. V12 Vantage next, because that's just like right there. It's a hop, skip, and a jump. Like I want a McLaren. So it could be 650S at that like 140 range, or 600 at the like 180, 90 range. Because that was a decision that was made in like 10 days.
Exactly.
It was like, oh, that Aventador.
It's up.
I can maybe make this work. A week later, it was boom, 720's gone.
Opportunity comes around once, you got to take a fucking advantage of it. So that's why I did. But I wish...
Take advantage of it. Boom.
I wish I would have taken more time.
Everyone needs a white boy.
Everyone needs a white boy. That's why I think this car is going to be the car that starts the stable. Not making a horse reference at all when I say it, but stable. Like no longer going to be...
Stable coin.
Yeah. No longer...
Wow, that one landed, huh?
That one landed.
Shocking.
That one landed.
Shocking.
Get it?
Didn't expect that.
It's stable.
All right, you ready to do this?
Yeah, let's do this shit. All right. We taking a break from the vlog then?
Yeah.
Get the fuck out of here.
So.
Let me see. Oh yeah, that coating thing? People are going crazy about it. Isn't that the one where you pour mud and stuff on the car? Oh yeah, that coating thing. The one that people are going crazy over. Don't you just pour mud and water on it and it just slides right off? Is that good enough? Or do I have to like verbatim it? Hold on. Give me 2 seconds. Too close? Close enough? Not close enough? Should I walk like this?
that was too robotic. Page.
Dude.
Like Limelex?
Action.
Yo, Joe, you seen this new German spray? It's been all over my For You page. Limelex?
Is this?
Why are you laughing?
You fucked it up.
It is. Oh no, it's another cat. It's a bigger cat.
Get over here.
Bigger cat. Lot bigger cat. Possum.
Black
Wait,
cat. It's a black cat. It's just a black cat.
It's a big ass cat. Cat doesn't speak Armenian. No, it doesn't. Don't tell me that. Just because it hangs around Armenians for 2 years doesn't mean it starts speaking Armenian. You don't even know where that cat came from. That cat could have been a fucking Taco Bell cat. Where's that?
He just Naruto over there?
Bro, did you really just speak Armenian to that fucking cat? Yeah. That cat has no shot of knowing what the hell this kid is saying, dude. Arishka, what the fuck out of here, George?
That's what he taught him.
Yeah.
Like those German shepherds learning commands in German. Dude, look at that car, bro.
This shit
look
is
at
mean.
that stance.
I've been
That's
telling you,
wild.
this shit is mean. You're outstancing the shit out of me right now.
Bro, it's like James Bond like grew a pair. You are.
Like you could see my fender gaps so bad in here from this angle, and yours are just mint. Still already.
You ready for this?
Yeah, ready.
All right, so you're gonna go, all right, let's see it.
Let me see. What do you do? Just fucking spray it? I
Yeah.
can't cuss. I can't cuss. I can't cuss. I can't cuss. Jesus Christ. It's work in progress. Work in progress. Work in progress. Look at those beads. It's like mercury or something.
$2,000, maybe more.
A lot of products, but this one is actually impressive. God damn. Interior cloth. Is it interior cloth? That's wrong. Sorry. Guys, this stealth, fuck my life. You're just not tracking your fucking spraying. Gavin's like this. Give me the shit. Give me the shit. This is what Gavin. This is Gavin right now. Ready? 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 This is what he's doing.
How about that?
I'm just giving you a hard time, Gavin. That's it.
It looks so weird you cleaning your own car.
Now you gotta wipe all those face oils
What
off.
the fuck is that supposed to mean?
I only
You
did that.
think I do no work on my own cars? Like zero.
That's a detail.
That's true.
Shout out Redline Auto.
I wouldn't do that for you.
Bro, I don't know, bro.
I would not trust open peanut butter M&Ms in a
By the way.
BMW.
God forbid an M&M.
Hey,
God forbid.
hey. I'm not crazily attracted to the damn peanut M&Ms, bro. It's different. God. Well, you guys don't eat ass? What, we're just babies out here or what? We're children?
You ready for your shot?
My bad. The water was traveling out of the bottle and you were already fucking put with the blower and shit. Jesus. This is amateur hour. There's just a bunch of car guys doing weird shit in a nicely lit garage.
That can't be in the vlog, obviously.
Hey, but build the blackmail folder, baby.